Welcome to our geometry series. Today we are exploring a fascinating rule involving circles and triangles. Specifically, we will look at angles inscribed in a semicircle. Have you ever wondered what happens when you draw a triangle inside a half circle using the diameter as one side? The answer is surprisingly consistent. First, let us define some key terms. A diameter is a straight line passing through the center of a circle, connecting 2 points on the edge. It effectively cuts the circle into 2 equal halves. Each half is called a semicircle. A chord is simply any line segment connecting 2 points on the circle's edge. The diameter is actually the longest possible chord in any circle. Next, we need to understand what an inscribed angle is. An inscribed angle is formed when 2 chords meet at a single point on the circle itself. This meeting point is called the vertex. The angle formed at this vertex opens up to face an arc on the opposite side. This leads us to Thales' theorem. The theorem states that if 3 points lie on a circle and 2 of them form a diameter, then the angle at the third point is always a right angle. In other words, any triangle inscribed in a semicircle is a right-angled triangle. You might ask, does the position of the third point matter? It does not. As long as the point stays on the curved arc of the semicircle and the other 2 points are the ends of the diameter, the angle will remain exactly 90 degrees. You can slide the point left or right, but the property holds true. Why does this happen? It relates to the Central Angle Theorem. This theorem tells us that the angle at the center of a circle is double the angle at the circumference. Since a diameter is a straight line, its central angle is 180 degrees. Therefore, the inscribed angle must be half of that, which is 90 degrees. Let us apply this to a simple problem. Suppose you are given a circle with a diameter AB and a point C on the circle connecting to A and B. If you are asked to find the value of angle X at point C, you do not need a protractor. Because a B is a diameter, the angle X is automatically 90 degrees. To summarize, remember these 3 points. First, a diameter divides a circle into semicircles. Second, creating a triangle using that diameter and any point on the arc forms a right triangle. And third, the angle opposite the diameter is always 90 degrees. Thank you for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.